Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hey y'all, it's Mikaela from the future. So I'm just here to warn y'all, like, if I sound extremely dry and uninterested, I promise I'm not. I'm just kind of nervous and like halfway concentrating because I'm not doing a voiceover. So I just forget to have personality. But hopefully I don't bore y'all too much, and I'm going to work on it for the next videos. But I feel like I am offering valuable information. So yeah.
Mikaela Space. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all my twist out takedown. It's been like a week and a half, and this is what they're looking like right now. The back. So not too horrible. They don't look fresh at all, but they don't look crazy. Like I can leave the house like this. But for the sake of the video, I'm about to take them out soon. But I'm finna show y'all like what I do beforehand before I take them out. Just to give it like a cleaner look, since I have had these in for a few days. And like you can see like the cinematic thing is like kind of messing it up. But you can see like my roots are kind of frizzy. Yada, 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 yada. But yeah, as y'all can see, I'm not doing a voiceover. Even though I love voiceovers because that's my comfort zone. Because when I speak in the camera, I'm really just saying this off the top of my head. I don't really have a script. Sometimes I have a script, but today I don't. And I don't like making scripts because it does really just look and sound rehearsed. Don't get me wrong, like I'm probably gonna do voiceovers most of the time. Actually, I don't even know. But today I decided to switch it up. Let's get into the twist out takedown. I'm going to take some water and the conditioner. This water and conditioner mix was shown in my last video. But I'm just gonna spray my hair just to get some moisture back into it. So pretty much that water just helped get the moisture back into my hair, and it also helps to lay down the flyaways all up in my scalp. And so I use the water, as mentioned before, just to put the moisture back in my hair, and it also helps with like laying down flyaways and the roots and on my hair strands. I don't really care for frizz. I'm a natural who doesn't care for frizz, but I feel like this is a useful tip to put in the video for anybody that is more concerned about frizzy hair. So another way to combat it outside of the water is to add some gel to it. So it really is up to you, but I go really light with it. So I just like coat my fingertips. I just coat my fingertips. I rub it in my hand as well. I just lastly, I'm just gonna take some oil to seal everything in. Now I'm just gonna tie it up with a scarf. course I put the bonnet on, but y'all know I'm anti-bonnet on camera. I either gotta be taking it right off or putting it on and getting off camera. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this on and then I'll come back to show y'all how I take it down. And yeah, so I'll be back. Okay. Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm gonna take these twists down. My hair is frizzy. I'm filming this video in the middle of the week, so I was able to keep my scarf on all day because I go to work. So yeah, I'm just about to take these twists down. There was a tip that I meant to show y'all yesterday that would be useful. So I guess I'll just show y'all now. So usually I keep my twists in like a bun like this. Hold on. So I'll keep my hair in a bun like this, and sometimes it does squish the little spiral at the end of my hair, and it doesn't have like that curl at the end, as you can see. I've been wearing my hair in strictly a ponytail and not buns, so that's why the curls are still intact. But if y'all want to like revive that little curl at the end, you would have to do this in the process that I showed y'all yesterday, or in the clips that I showed y'all before this one, so it can set overnight pretty much, or you can do it the same day and it will just have to dry. But pretty much I'm just gonna grab a random twist to show y'all. So I'm just gonna spray the ends. I'm gonna rub that through. And I may even retwist it. You can retwist it as well. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take some gel and just spiral it around my finger so it can curl up. And as y'all can see, it revived the curl at the end, and you would just let it set overnight to have that curl at the end. Okay, so I usually do this step, but I'm gonna leave it out just for the sake of the video. But I'm gonna tell y'all why I do this step. So I like to spray my hair, like mist my hair with water, because it just makes my hair bigger. When I take my twists down, they look like, I don't know, limp noodles. And I don't like that look that much unless like I'm just putting it in a bun or something. Yeah, but I do like to mist my hair with water. And I do skip that step when it's like summertime. So if it's humid out, I'll just take my twist down and it'll just get bigger throughout the day. But if it's like the winter or something like that, I do mist my hair with water, like squish it in there and make it bigger. But like I said, I'm gonna skip it for this video. Maybe in another video I'll do it, but just take note of like that tip. It may be useful. For the rest of your day. Okay, my hair is all taken down. It feels amazing because of the products I'm gonna mention in every video. Shea Moisture needs to freaking come through for the girl ASAP. So the curling gel souffle, wait, let me do it in the right order. The Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner and the curling gel souffle. Your hair is going to feel amazing for weeks. This is week 2.5 with the product, and I have not put any more product in my hair other than like conditioner water. That's pretty much it. I know I said like I don't care about frizz. Yeah, I really went on a whole rant talking about how I don't care about frizz, but like I don't, but the definition goes crazy. Like my hair still looks like noodles. I don't like it like this flat on my head, but just like the the definition from taking the twist out looks so good. It looks like the twists are low-key still in my hair. But yeah, from here, so I do just like leave it like this, and I just wait for the humidity to do its job. I go in and separate a little, but not that much, because it's not really gonna do much for the volume and for me at least, unless I have bigger twists. So I probably had about, I would say 40 or 50 twists in my hair. So if I'm doing twists as a protective style, I'm doing that many twists. If I'm doing twists for a twist out look, I'm doing about at most 16 twists throughout my head, and that's when I separate, and that's when it looks better, like it looks fluffier. If I just separate, it's just gonna look like flat, low-key frizzier, but not like the cute frizzy that I'm thinking of, like where it just does what it does. It's gonna look like intentional frizz. It's gonna look like uniform frizz. Am I making sense? I hope so. This is why I don't be coming on camera talking. This is why I do voiceovers. But like I said, the definition goes stupid. And of course you can get a defined look without using those products that I mentioned, but that's just what has been in my head for the past 2.5 weeks. So I just thought that I would just mention it. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please comment down below anything else you would like to see, any products you'd like me to try. I'm kind of resistant to trying new products because I don't feel like spending the money on it. But I may or may not go out and just buy it. Let me know any styles, anything you want to see me do with my hair, anything you want me to talk about, just anything, because I'm in a creative space. I just need to express myself creatively in some way, and yeah. But yeah, don't forget to comment down below. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.